you're going to if you're going to testify, please raise your right hand so we can swear you in.
Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're giving today is true and correct, so help you God?
Yes, I do.
Thank you. All right, cause number 36, the state of Betty Eileen King.
Miss
Morning.
Kayla, can you hear us? Good morning, Your Honor.
How you doing, Miss Pickett?
Good. I see Miss
Yes.
Kayla.
Yes, can you see me?
No, we
I
can
can't
hear
see.
you. Do you see your video camera?
Yes, I do, but I
Has it got
can't.
a line through it?
Yes, I can't get
Click
it.
on it.
Yeah, I did. It won't come unclicked. Of course, I've been practicing this forever. Start my video. Okay. Maybe, yeah. I don't know. Okay.
You want to come back to us when she gets her video on, Judge?
Yes.
I'm
Let's do
sorry.
that.
That's
That's
okay.
quite all right.
I don't know why it won't come on.
But mute yourself while you're cussing at Zoom, okay?
Yeah, please do that.
I hadn't done.
There you go. All right, cause number 58, the state of Donald Lee Smith. Miss Savage, you on there? I don't see you, Lila.
Can't see me? I'm here.
There you are.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
kind of dark the way the shadow is. Okay.
It is. That's okay. We got you.
She raised her hand when you asked.
All right, you may proceed.
Okay. You're Jeanette King Smith?
Yes.
And speak up so he can hear you.
Oh, yes.
Okay, and your husband, Donald Lee Smith, passed away on December the 11th of 2022.
Yes.
And that was in Anahuac, Chambers County, Texas.
Yes.
And he was 89. Is that correct?
Yes.
And at the time of his death was his fixed place of residence and domicile in Chambers County, Texas.
Yes.
I'm going to show you a copy of a document that we have filed with the court entitled Last Will and Testament of Donnie Lee Smith. And it was dated May the 19th of 2009. Can you identify that as his last will and testament?
Yes, it is.
Okay. And to your knowledge, he never revoked that instrument.
No.
Okay. Is there a necessity to administer this estate?
Yes.
Okay. And were there any children born or adopted to Mr. Smith after the day he executed the will you just testified to? Did he have any kids
No.
after that?
No.
Okay. He didn't adopt any yet?
No.
And he was never divorced?
No.
Did he or had a marriage dissolved or declared void?
No.
And did he leave any bequests to the state of Texas
No.
or any governmental agency
No.
or any charity? He left it to you. correct?
Yes.
You're named as independent executors in the will, and you're not disqualified from serving on it.
No.
We went over the qualification.
Yes.
So this got on, and you're qualified to serve, and you'd ask that you be appointed as such.
Yes.
Are you asking that appraisers be waived and
Yes.
be a non-taxable estate?
Yes.
That's all we have, Judge.
All right, everybody admits will of probate and authorize letters. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you. Have you been excused?
You may be.
Thank you.
All right, cause number 60, the state of Elizabeth Ann Giles. Mr. Wilson, good morning.
Yes, sir. Good morning, Judge. My name is Larry Wilson. Elizabeth Ann Giles passed away on February 18th, 2022 in Chambers County, Texas. Her domicile and residence was in Chambers County, Texas at her date of death. She left a purported last will and testament dated April 14th, 2015. I have no knowledge that will was ever revoked. She was not divorced after making of the will. There is no children born after making the will. There's no gifts to any government or charitable organizations within the contents of the will. Miss Giles named her husband, Patrick E. Murphy, to serve as the independent executor. I personally know Mr. Murphy. There's nothing that would disqualify him in serving in the capacity as the independent executor. We asked to probate the will, name Patrick E. Murphy the independent executor, waive bond and waive appraisers, sir.
So done. Thank you, Counselor.
Sir?
I said so done.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Judge. Thank you.
All right, back to calls number 36. Ms. Pickett,
I still don't see Miss Kayla. I see her emblem, but not her face.
what did it say?
Okay. I'm trying. Okay.
Judge, this is Marangeli. I sent her a request to start the video. If she sees an option on her screen, maybe to allow.
Says it's streaming on YouTube or something.
Just say got it. Put got it.
Got it?
Got it. Click got it. Yeah.
I don't see got it. I see all of y'all, but I don't see got it. Let's see. Start my video.
Yes,
No.
ma'am.
And it says learn. Browser bar, enable camera. Come on, start with this video for me, please. Now, my granddaughter told me this was going to be real simple. She lied.
It usually is.
I know, not for me.
Usually.
Video, always show video. Is that what I want to do now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Unable to start video at this time. Restart video. Start my video. Okay. Restart video. What am I doing? Receiving videos? No. Cease myself speaker while speaking? Yes. Turn on and off my video. I don't know what I'm doing. I think this is a bad idea for me.
Give me
On
a
the
phone
bottom
number.
left,
Oh, go ahead, Logan.
I was just going to say on the bottom left of your phone screen, is
Yeah,
there a
I'm on
button
my-
that says,
I'm on a computer, but okay. Go ahead.
I think it's the same. Is there a button that says mute and next to it?
Is a video
something-
camera. And it's got a line through it. And I keep
And you're-
clicking that, but it won't come, the line won't come off.
Okay.
So I don't know. Let me come X out of that and see. Yvette Kayla, I see Yvette Kayla right there. But it
So-
won't. And every time it says enable camera access in your browser bar. Where's my browser bar?
Does your, I mean, that's a silly question, but does your computer have a camera?
There you go.
Yes, it does.
Okay.
But where's the browser bar? Let me see. Settings. My granddaughter did that so fast last night. I should have watched her. Let me see. Where would the camera be on the bottom? Where all these icons are on the bottom, where would that be? Participants, 6 of us.
It's
share
where you
screen.
said earlier, that one that has a line through it. That's usually the one you press for to start your video.
Yeah, your name's there, and it says Yvette K, and it says unable to access the browser. But I did it last night, so I know I can. I just don't know how I did it. Unless our internet's down or something, which is very possible.
We can hear you, so you're on Zoom.
Okay,
Yeah, you're on. Let me get
That's
my
okay.
IT guy. Let me get
That's
my
fine.
IT guy in here, see if he can walk you through it.
Thank you.
I'm
When you
sorry.
said
Okay.
there, it's something about your browser bar. The browser bar is usually like at the top of the screen where you fill in, you know, like what website you want to go to. I don't know what it looks like on your computer, but that's the browser bar.
Okay, it says meeting alert. The host has asked you to start your video. So I try to start my video, and then it says at the top, enable camera. So then when I go back to try to start my camera,
Try to get her hooked up to the video.
let me go back. Maybe I start all over. Oh, wait.
Video.
Hey,
Here.
Miss Kayla, this man's here from the IT department. If he was going to try to
This
walk you
is Kyle
through it.
Yvette. You probably know Kyle Thibodeau.
Hey, Kyle Thibodeau.
How you doing, ma'am?
I got to find you now. I lost you again. I'm back in Bob's email. Ah, let me find me. There I am. Okay. All right, Kyle, tell me what to do. I do start my video, and then it says enable camera access in your browser bar.
Okay.
I see you, Kyle. Hadn't seen you in a long time.
Yeah.
Do you have a camera cover or anything? Or are you using a external camera?
No. No, it's a new computer.
She said they did it last night with her granddaughter,
Mm-hmm.
but. now
But it says browser bar. So should I go back? I don't know what. She said I made it real easy for you. Sure you did.
It
Is
says, what does
there-
it say? It says enable your camera in the browser bar.
It says enable camera access in your browser address bar. Learn more. And then
So on the bottom left-hand side of your Zoom, do you see where it says mute and then stop video?
yes, I've done, yes. And
Okay, Go ahead.
wait, I think audio options. Is that where you want me?
No, ma'am. On the stop video, there should be an arrow. If you click on that arrow, it'll bring up
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So you should see it integrated. It should say like integrated webcam, same as system, mirror my video.
It says
see any of
audio systems, audio options, leave computer audio speaker. No, I don't have any of that. I got nothing.
Okay, that's the arrow on the left. There should be an arrow to the right of that where it says stop video.
No, it doesn't have one. Y'all move to the side over here though. I'm sorry. Okay, see, it says enable access browser bar, learn more. I'm sorry. I'm taking up all y'all's time. I should just drove over there. What a nightmare.
Can you see my video right now?
Okay, it says allow Zoom to access your camera and microphone. Okay,
Yes.
click to drop down list and right of the camera and microphone options. Select the option allow. So I tried to do that. It says all kinds of stuff so connect your information. For example, passwords are correct, credit card numbers. Learn more. What is that about?
Shouldn't need to do any of that.
I know.
So
I
you-
don't think so.
So when you enable that camera, you still don't have a spot or an arrow to the right of the stop video?
It says, that's all gone when I do that because I'm in a whole different thing. But it says camera, learn more. I try to click on the camera and so it doesn't. Let me see. I should have done this myself. Okay.
This
Let's
is
see.
the last.
If she came down, I'm just gonna do it without saying her.
Because I was trying to figure out I can go.
I'm sorry.
No, you're fine.
No, I'm not really fine. Also, it's just driving me nuts.
All right, so Yvette, you swear you are, who you are who you say you are.
Yes, sir.
All right, we're gonna do this without video.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm so
That's quite
sorry.
all right. So did you raise your right hand a while ago when we swore?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay, Mr. Pickett, you may proceed with cause number 36.
Your Honor. Miss Kayla, your mother was Betty King.
Yes,
She died on January the 7th, 2023. She was in Harris County, but she was a domiciliary, meaning her residence was in Chambers County at the time of her death. Is that correct?
yes,
And you brought me her last will and testament, her original last will and testament dated August the 9th, 2016. As an officer of the court, I'm telling you that's what I filed with the judge for consideration today. That will that you brought me that the judge has now, so far as you know, was never revoked, and that is your mother's last will and testament, correct?
yes, yes,
That last will and testament left instructions for the executor of this state, who was named to be her husband, John Wesley King, and he is deceased, correct?
yes,
And you were named as the alternate executor, meaning that you would take his place if he was unwilling or unable to act as the independent executor, correct?
yes,
And you're not disqualified by law from accepting letters testamentary, and you're asking the court to issue those letters and sign an order admitting this will to probate. Is that correct?
yes,
Now, your mother did not have any children or adopt any children after that August 9th, 2016 date when she executed this will, correct?
correct.
And she did not take any children into her home after that date in circumstances that would simulate an adoption, correct?
No, correct.
And your mother's estate consists primarily of a residence in Winnie and some bank accounts and whatever's in the house. Is that correct?
Yes,
So this is a non-taxable estate, meaning that it's not large enough for the federal government to want to come and get an estate tax. You understand that?
yes.
Do you
I
know
used-
whether or not
Go
do
ahead.
you know whether or not your mother owes any debt to Medicare or Medicaid?
No,
And
Not
you're
that-
asking the judge to grant you letters testamentary and sign an order admitting this will to probate. Is that correct?
yes, sir.
I'll pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, everybody admit the will of probate and authorize letters. Thank you so
I'll
much.
get you a proof and an oath. Thank you for letting us proceed without video. Thank you, Ms.
Sorry,
Cole.
I'm so sorry. I see all y'all perfectly.
That's quite all right. All right.
Thank you so
Thank-
much, Judge Sylvia.
Thank you.
ma'am.
Thank you,
Take care.
Logan. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Bye.